Hi, I'm Roy Moran with Shoal Creek Community Church, and I'm here to talk to you about the Eyes on AIDS run. The other night I had a chance to watch American Idol Gives Back. Having been to Africa 4 times in the past 18 months, I saw some very familiar scenes. Scenes of extreme poverty, of children infected, and many children affected by AIDS. When you think about the opportunity to give back, it's easy to pick up a phone and call American Idol and donate some money. But we here in the Liberty area have a chance to give back in a personal way, not just to a large African continent, but particularly to an area we call the Trans-Sky. The Eyes on AIDS Run exists to help children in South Africa, a place where 1 in 8 people are infected with the HIV virus and where 1 in 3 children live as an orphan. I visited a school in a place near Seleni, South Africa, where 50% of the children in that school were orphans. When I walked into a village, there were lots of children up to the ages of 12, 13, maybe 15. And there were lots of old people, but the 20 to 50-year-olds were amazingly absent. And when you begin to investigate that, you realize that AIDS has wiped out that generation. When you choose to do battle with extreme poverty, you realize that there are a lot of factors involved. And the strategy we've chosen is a strategy that seeks to start with orphans. We will be building an orphan care center. This center will provide a meal in the morning for a child before they go to school, and to provide a meal in the afternoon when they come back. Be a place teaching about nutrition, about HIV and AIDS and how to prevent it. If you can imagine a lady who lives in a rendezvous around a mud hut with a thatched roof, who simply has a heart for seeing orphans taken care of. It takes about $200 to set her up with the equipment that she needs, and then about $100 a month will come alongside her and help her feed 50 children a month, giving them a meal a day for 6 days a week. $100, 50 kids. Now that's a small amount to pay for the incredible opportunity to put food in the belly of a child who really doesn't have any other sources for their nutrition. There are 2 goals in our Eyes on AIDS run. One is to raise money for the plight of these orphans in South Africa. The other is just simply awareness. Last year, the Eyes on AIDS run had 220 runners who gathered here at our Pleasant Valley campus. And as people ran the race, each mile they get a chance to take a look at an orphan and understand that they're running not just for themselves, but also running for the most significant health crisis that the world has ever seen. Those 220 runners helped us last year raise over $5,000 for this effort in South Africa. And we're asking you to consider being a part of this, helping us underwrite the expenses of this race so that the proceeds of this race can go completely to these orphans in South Africa. That could be your part, and that's the way you can help us give back.